I know it's January, but I'm just so restless. I can't stay in the house anymore, so it's nice out. And so I'm gonna come outside and get some gardening done because it's so nice out. I've got my tea. Daniel's outside with me. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna get some gardening done that I probably should have gotten done a very long time ago. Procrastination, and also my knees are injured, so here we go. Okay, but first, I have been basically like collecting things this winter, and I haven't shown, but I'm so excited. So my parents were here. My mom got me this paper bark maple. So beautiful. It was on sale. It looks like it's, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. That's where it gets its name from. Bark, literally. Oh, so beautiful. I'm so excited. Can you see that? Oh, wow. So this paper bark maple has me out of control. Love it. Except for when we were transporting in my tiny little Honda Fit. That happened. R.I.P. R.I.P. little Twiggy. And my dad got me these Arbovita, emerald green. They were not $59.95, which is why my dad got me two, because he's amazing. And they're so beautiful. I love them so much. And then my mom got me this little hydrangea. I believe it's a Nico Blue hydrangea. I'm a little, I don't know what that is, okay. I'm a little worried because this is how it looked when I got it. But like, look at those little buds, right? That's like a good sign, right? Those little buds. Can it focus? There we go. So I feel like that's a good sign. Okay, so basically the plan today is to get all the flower beds cleaned up, get the greenhouse in shape, water anything that needs to be watered, check on the compost. I think that's it. I think. This is my greenhouse from Amazon. When I got it, I was like very disappointed because the plastic was like ripped and it was missing parts, so I couldn't assemble the back there. But beggars can't be choosers, and I was a beggar, so we've got the succulent that I absolutely have no idea what it is because somebody left it here. So if anybody knows what that is or how to take care of it, please tell me. I'd love to do a better job because it literally sits like this. Comes back every year, but sits like this. It is currently, ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. That's actually really good. Almost 60 degrees. My blueberries, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at it. I love it. My weed whacker is currently in here, so. You want to focus? No? Okay, that's cool. I'll just find another one. Oh, here we go. Yeah. It's doing super well in here. If the camera wants to focus ever. My blueberries, my mom's that need to be deadheaded. I know, I'm trash. I know I need to do it, but that's what I'm out here for today. My weed whacker's out here. We've got lights because sometimes I stay out here till super late. I brought my lavender back out to put in there. But I really came in here to get my gloves and my pruners, so I'll get those. I'll get started. Look at this. Look at this. It's January. These aren't covered or anything. They're just popping up. January. But not during the summer, or the fall, or the spring. Just right now in the middle of January. Look at this. I gotta get this cleaned up. It's like embarrassing. Okay, I don't even want to show you. Okay, so I got all that done, and I'll show you here. This is one of my favorite. I gotta clean that up. But this is one of my favorite containers to use, and it's like an upside down. Let's see if I can show you. I don't even know if you can see that because the sun is blazing right now. Let's see, this way. There we go. Upside down. So I like to use it for my tomatoes and anything that like go on a vine. The cherry tomatoes do super well, and smaller like peppers. So I had to break it up, clean it out, plug up the holes, and now I'm gonna add my favorite neem seed meal because we have spider mites that take over the world here. They are resilient, and that is the only thing I feel like is super useful. So I'm gonna add the neem, and I'll show you how. Heaping cup, I would say, a heaping cup. Not smell pleasant. Oh god, but it works. So Daniel just informed me that he wants to go out today. Ooh, that was a lot of face. I need to hurry up and finish my chores. So prioritizing now. I need to get my, I need to check my serviceberry tree, make sure it's good. And I need to get my nectarine tree sprayed down with copper spray. So here we go. So I gotta spray my nectarine tree, and I'll show you what I spray it down with. I've already pulled out the serviceberry tree and anything else that would be in contact with it, because you don't want to spray anything that doesn't need to be sprayed. Now, this is what I use for the nectarine tree. Copper fungicide controls all that. And basically I just spray it till it's drenched. And that's it. Mostly for blight, because I hear that's like a big thing. I haven't experienced it yet, but last year I had powdery mildew. So here we go. Okay, I got my goggles on because, you know, safety and stuff. I'm gonna put some gloves on, and I forgot to say I spray it 3 times. I sprayed it once at the like endish of fall, and then I'm gonna spray it again right now, and then again like around like Valentine's Day, like before any blooms are like blooming. That's it, because Daniel has been very patient, and now he is running out of patience. So I am gonna stop, and I'll still have to do the grass, but I can do that another day. Left my tools out because I'm irresponsible, but I will say I got about 90% of everything that I wanted to get done. So I want to call that a win, but looking at this grass, it's literally breaking my heart, or lack of grass breaking my heart. So I have to find a time to get that done. Oh my gosh, I would. What? Doing so well. I've got another little dogwood baby right here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Can't wait to get those in the ground. Daisy, Why is my dog drinking dirty water? Are you excited to garden? It's a sweet boy. Oh no. No, 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 no. And that's why I never have any grass. Look at that. So sneaky. Oh my gosh.